What is up, guys? Braid back on our video. Today I'm going to be fishing with the Googan Squad clickbait. It's just like a chatterbait style bait. It's pretty sweet. It's in a bluegill color. And I'm just using a DOA cowl on the back. And I'm using a Curado DC, the Lews Carbon Blue GT speed stick. And all I'm doing is just like running it through grass because it works really good in grass. And bass should destroy it. So if you can't get some bass. Pretty windy out today. All I'm doing is letting it sink, and then I'm just like slowly reeling it along the bottom. And sometimes I just give it a couple like twitches of the handle, so then it makes that skirt flutter on the jig, on the clickbait. Ooh, got one. Stay down. Nice fish. Oh, it's a nice one. He destroyed that clickbait. That's a big fish. Look at that fish. Oh, he smoked that clickbait. Hey, chill out, buddy. He absolutely destroyed that. That's a stud. Oh, that's a stud. That is a stud. He absolutely smoked that clickbait. Hey, chill out, boy. That is a stud. Really fat fish. I'll clickbait out of him. Really fat, short fish. What are they said? Get a picture of him and then release him. He's so fat. Nice release on him. See you, buddy. Nice fish. He absolutely destroyed that clickbait. Oh yeah, come on. Who got one? Little guy, I think. Yeah, he's little. Stand, buddy. Little guy on the clickbait, barely hooked. Just a little guy. He absolutely smoked that. Pop it out. Let him go. See you, buddy. See if you can't get another one. There you go. Come on, gas. Oh, got one. He smoked that clickbait. Come here, buddy. Whoa. Not a bad little guy either. Holy shit. Look at this bass. He got eaten. Let buddy go. It's disgusting. Buddy got eaten by a bass or something. See you, buddy. Woo. He gone. Oh, got one. Here, buddy. You want a little guy? Chill out, buddy. Hey. I'm not trying to get hooked, buddy. Let buddy go. See you, buddy. Ooh. So you can't get another one. Who got one? Here, buddy. Smoke that. Oh, right in the top. Perfect hook set. Look at that. Yep. See you, buddy. Just a little guy. Just hung on a nice fish. Look at this thing. See you, buddy.